Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share one of the important topic of group 1 law and ethics directors from director section, that is director identification number. In short you can say DIN. This is a lecture number 29 and this topic already comes in December 2017 and 2019 December also. Two times it comes in examinations, so very important for your examination point of view. Let's get started without wasting any further time. Okay, so first, DIN is one type of unique director identification number which is allotted by the central government. Remember, DIN is a unique director identification number allotted by central government to any person who are intending to be a director or an existing director of a company. Okay, DIN is a unique director identification number allotted by the central government to any person who are intending to be a director or an existing director of a company. This is the first fundamental meaning of डायरेक्टर आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर. ओके, इसमें शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है. DIN is a unique director identification number allotted by whom? Allotted by central government. Remember, allotted by central government through Ministry of Corporate Affairs, through Ministry of Corporate Affairs website, to any person who are intending to be a director or an existing director of a company, right? Director identification number is a 8-digit unique identification number and which is valid for lifetime. Remember, director identification number is a unique 8-digit identification number which is valid for lifetime. Through DIN, all the particulars of the director are maintained in a database. DIN is a specific to a person, which means even if he is a director in 2 or more company, he has to obtain only one DIN, right? So in addition to this, every individual who is to be appointed as director of a company shall make an application electronically in form number DIR3. Form number DIR3. So very important, to the central government for allotment of DIN along with the prescribed fees, right? And the applicant can download the said form from the website of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. In short, you can say MCA. Duly filed in all respect along with photograph and sign digitally, right? Then the form shall be verified by a chartered accountant in practice or a company secretary in practice or a cost accountant in practice. So it can be verified by a CA or CMA as well as CS. Okay, all the professionals are eligible to verify the DIN application, right? On application, the system shall generate an application number. The central government shall process the application and decide the approval or rejection, right? And communicate the same to the applicant along with the DIN. Remember, only and only central government the power to decide the approval or rejection of DIN and communicate the same to the applicant along with the DIN allotted. In case of approval by way of a letter by post or electronically or in any other mode within 30 days. Within how many days? Within 30 days from the receipt of such application, right? If any defect is found in the application, in that case, the central government shall give intimation of such defect or incompletion to the applicant by placing it on its website and by email to rectify such defect within 15 days. Within 15 days. Very important for MCQ also. Very important for MCQs also. इसमें एमसीक्यू भी आ सकता है. If the same has not been rectified, the government shall reject the application, directing to file a fresh application. Right? In case of rejection or invalidation of application fee so paid with the application shall neither be refunded nor adjusted with any other application. Then the dean allotted to a director, before the commencement of this act shall be deemed to be the dean allotted under the present act. The dean allotted shall be valid up to the lifetime of the director, right? And the said number shall not be allotted to any other person. Similarly, a person shall be allotted only one dean. ये सब important point है, need to remember. इसमें MCQ भी आ सकता है. Shall be allotted to any other person. A person shall be allotted only one dean. Only one dean. Remember, a person shall be allotted only one dean. And the director on allotment of dean is to be intimate the company in form number DIR 3C within 15 days from the intimation given to him. Right. So, there are some forms which are very important for your examination point of view. Like, you can say DIR 3, then DIR 3C, then DIR 5 and DIR 6, right? DIR 3 is for application for dean allotment. DIR 3 is application for dean allotment. Application for dean allotment. DIR 3 is application for dean allotment, and DIR 3C is for intimation of dean by company to registrar. Intimation of dean by company to registrar. Intimation of dean by company to registrar, right? And DIR 5 is application for surrendering dean. Application for surrender the dean. And last, DIR 6. DIR 6 is application for modification, changing or modification the particulars which are submitted in DIR 3. Okay, so these 4 important forms need to be remembered. DIR 3 is application for dean allotment. DIR 3C is for intimation of dean by company to registrar, and DIR 5 is application for surrendering the dean, and DIR 6 is application for modification, which particulars are already submitted in DIR 3, right? So, and in addition to this, there are also some reasons for cancellation of dean by central government. What are the reasons for cancellation of dean by central government? First, if a duplicate dean has been issued to the director or applicant, in that case, central government will bound to reject or cancel the dean. Then, if dean was obtained by fraudulent means, or illegal way, in that case also central government is power to reject the deed. And then on the death of the concerned person, if applicant is dead, in that case also his deed automatically cancelled by central government. Then the person has been declared unsound mind by the court. when the person has been declared unsound mind by the court, in that case also central government will cancel the registration or cancel the DIN applications. And last, when the person has been adjudicated as insolvent, when the person has been adjudicated as insolvent, in that case also central government will cancel the registration or cancel the application for DIN, right? And what are the form need to remember? DIR 3 is for application for DIN allotment. DIR 3C is intimation of DIN by company to register, and DIR 5 is application for surrendering the DIN, and DIR 6 is application for changing or modification particulars which are submitted in DIR 3, right? So this is it all about DIN. As we know that DIN is a unique digit identification number allotted by the central government to any person intending to be a director or an existing director of a company. DIN is a 8-digit unique number which is valid for lifetime. Through DIN, all the particulars of the director are maintained in a database, and DIN is a specific to a person, which means even if he is a director in 2 or more company, he has to obtain only one DIN. Remember, very important point. DIN is a specific to a person, which means even if he is a director in 2 or more companies, he has to obtain only one DIN, right? And application to be made in SPICE form only. Application is made only SPICE form. Remember, SPICE MCA पोर्टल में एक स्पाइस फॉर्म होता है, स्पाइस, राइट? स्पाइस फॉर्म MCA पोर्टल, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर, स्पाइस फॉर्म, राइट? सो any person intending to become a director in an existing company shall have to make an application in e-form in DIR 3 for allotment of DIN. For changes or modifications shall be filed in DIR 6, and to apply for DIN, the above form, that is SPICE and DIR 3, are to be filed electronically. Remember, to apply for DIN, the DIR 3 form or SPICE, these are filed electronically, and it has to be digitally signed and then uploaded on the MCA 21 portal. Once it is filed, then these documents to be attested by a CA, CS or CMA, right? And central government will decide the approval rejection of the DIN. If approved, same to be communicated within 1 month. If approved, same can be communicated within 1 month. ये सब important point है, इसको याद रखना पड़ेगा. If rejected, then it will send through email and also displayed on Ministry of Corporate Affairs websites. So these are some important points of DIN. And also you can say DIR 3 is for application for DIN allotment. DIR 3C, intimation of DIN by company to register. DIR 5, application for surrendering the DIN. And DIR 6, application for modification submitted in DIR 3. Details submitted in DIR 3. And what are the reasons for cancellation of DIN by central government? As we already discussed, if a duplicate DIN has been issued to the director and DIN was obtained by illegal way, fraudulent or illegal way, या फिर on the death of the concerned person, or the person has been declared unsound mind by the court, or the person has been adjudicated as insolvent. Okay, so these 5 points need to remember in case of reasons for cancellation of DIN by central government. First, if a duplicate DIN has been issued to the central to the director, or DIN was obtained by fraudulent means, or on the death of the concerned person, or the person has been declared unsound mind by the court, or the person has been adjudicated as insolvent. Okay, so this is it all about director identification number. You just need to revise it as many times as possible, and also practice writing, all the important points. And you just need to remember all the important form, that is DIR 3, DIR 3C, DIR 5 and DIR 6. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support, and happy studying.